Hi everybody, this is Pam with Jesus Junk Journals, and I'm going to do a flip through of the Field Notes, Faith Field Notes journal that we've been working on. But before I do, I wanted to just give a shout out to my sister Pat, because she gave me this really cute little Altoids tin full of miniature labels at Christmas time, and I hadn't used them until now. I kind of forgot I had them, but boy, they came in really handy. I added a bunch of these just to kind of kick up the enhancement just a little bit. And so they're throughout this journal as well. So anyway, all right, so here is the journal. Here is the journal with my wonderful buttonhole that I made. So there that is. And there's the spine. Tim Holtz fabric. So I just will flip through quickly, show you some of the things. See, I use these little tags. Here's the quote from Mark 11:24, and some little cards stuck in all the 4 pockets. And oh boy. Things are never as difficult as they are when you're trying to do a video. I'll just tell you that right now. There's the little specimen we made with the coin holder, the fold-out pockets. Here's the little tags I got from my sister that I put on, and then I used them for tuck spots. And the envelope from the kit. And one of the slides from the kit. Still haven't written the name on there. Card from the kit. Here are the pockets we added, the accordion pockets. So there's a little card in each one. There's that one, and there's that one. And I think this is one of my favorite things of the whole thing, actually. I like the way it looks. Okay, and then on we go. The peek through window, the little pocket. I think there's a little piece of ephemera in here from the kit. Yes, faith is the substance. Another card, the three of the tags from, there's that ostrich tag I like so much. So the 3 of the tags with the scriptures on the back. And that page, oh, okay, that was so pretty. It's another one of those labels I stuck in. Card from the kit. These 2 flaps with little ephemera stuck into the pockets. This other half pocket, and one of the other cards that has the scripture. Another one of those little labels. This little folio that we added in, and has the slide from the kit with the bee. Oops. And there's another field label I got from the Tim Holtz kit. Little tuck spot, tag from the kit. Another one of the scripture cards from the kit. And I made a belly band, and here's the tickets and a card. Another little couple of tags from the kit. My friend's watercolor painting, some more cards, another little tag. There's one of those little tags I glued in. A couple more Tim Holtz pieces and a tag, or label, sorry. And a card from the kit. These were 2 that I stuck in there. Kit, belly band with another couple of those labels and another scripture card. Without faith, it is impossible to please him. And envelope from the kit. And then the tie-in journal that we made. And that is it. We're done. So I thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like this particular journal. I enjoyed it a lot. I love doing the field notes look styling of this. I'm sure this won't be my last one. And I'm gonna move on to the next kit. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye.